How to use Stremio app on your Android device. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step process on how you can easily start using the Stremio app on your Android device. But before getting started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. And on that note, let's begin. So the first thing you would want to do is head over to Stremio Web. So for that, open up your web browser and search for Stremio Web. And once you have done that, this will show you this result. So head over to this first link, web.stremio.com. And here you will find a list of all of the movies, popular shows that are trending right now. And as you can see right here at the bottom, the streaming service is not available. So this is because you have not yet set up a streaming server. But to do that, first you need to add an app on home screen. So tap on the three lines on the top right and then tap on add to home screen. So go ahead and install this on your home screen. Now just wait for the installation to complete. And once the app is installed, you will see something like this on your screen. But as you can see, it still says the streaming server is not available. Now you will just have to ignore this banner and then tap on Don't Show again. And what you need to do now is set up a streaming server. For that, tap on the profile icon on the top right corner, head over to your settings, scroll down until you see the advanced options, and here you have an option to choose an external player. So here is a variety of options that you can choose from, like VLC Media Player, MX Player, Just Player, and M3U. Make sure one of these is downloaded on your device. So let's say if I'm using VLC, I'm just going to tap on VLC, and if you have the streaming server available on your device, now you can just tap on this play button and then start playing this on VLC Media Player. So that's how you use Stremio on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.